When we started this company, it was very important to both Tom and I that we wanted a place that we wanted to come to work every day. That's been at the forefront, for the last 20 years.
Our company is a fully integrated development, design, construction management company. And so whereas usually those entities would be divided under separate companies, we do everything in-house.
Do a lot of historic tax credit projects. We also do new construction. But at the end of the day, we're building communities.
We also have a very great support system here where we oversee the property managers and just pretty much work together as a team to make sure that operations run very smoothly.
We have self-starting, hardworking, intelligent people working here, and that's one of the reasons I love coming to work every day.
We are very family oriented. We have great values here as far as integrity, very good principles.
It's really fantastic to see people taking the initiative and an entrepreneurial spirit to really try to build a better company, not only for them, but for all of us, and a better place to work.
In the beginning, you've got this concept of what something might potentially look like, and a couple years later, it's really neat to kind of see how that's really sort of come to fruition.
There's a tangible result, and you feel like you are contributing to a community and making something better for people in the built environment.
It's really rewarding to see tenants living and working in our buildings and seeing them building their own lives in something that we first created. It's always fun because we always can find a new project to work on. There's always something new to get excited about. There's a new challenge, and every challenge brings about new opportunities.
Because we do a lot of historic tax credit renovation, everything is unique, and there's always something different that has to be preserved or a different challenge in creating a good design.
I'd like to think the company is going to continue to grow geographically. I think we're going to focus more on these larger projects, and then also working more with localities to find areas that they really like to see revitalized. And there's a lot of opportunities for people to go back to these communities that people lived in the past and revitalize them and build a great place to live and work.
We have no intention of slowing down. In fact, we're just getting started.